What's going on, family? I've made it here to MSC's Seashore. I'm here, right here at my room. Let's go ahead and do a tour of this room on MSC's Seashore. I'm here in stateroom 14194.
This signal alerts emergency crew members and doesn't directly affect
you can see they have a king size bed here. Now we're going to start here. Now what's interesting with MSC, you have to have your card in here in order to operate the lighting, and your card must stay in here the entire time when you want to turn your lights on or whatever you need to do to be able to see. Okay, so now we have trash can here. We have a mirror here with a chair. You can sit there, get your hair together, what have you. We come over here. We have two plugs here.
When moving around the ship in rough weather.
Look like
use caution on
42-inch TV.
Never sit.
It can be pulled out for your viewing, like so, or you can just go ahead and keep it like this.
Onboard security.
Have the seat right here and watch TV. Right here, as we can see, we have a beautiful bed here, king size bed. Pictures, like so. Over here, they have a port right here. So on this side of the bed, you can charge your phone overnight with this here port. They have the two lightings here. You want to read a book or so, you're able to, not a problem. It's a lot of space in this area here. It's just a lot of room that you don't normally have in a stateroom. It's a lot of room here if you're trying to get ready or whatever you're trying to do for the day. So now we got the closet. As you can see, it's got a lot of space here. A lot of space. We got one side. Got your lock right there. You got you some hangers. Got you some extra covers there. The closet area here. They already have you some towels right here. This right here can be for the beach. So I guess they already got your towels. You don't even have to worry about asking them, worrying the mess out of them about that. They telling you your pool and beach towel service. You take them off the ship. You're gonna have to pay for them or what have you. But they already got you hooked up. You don't have to run around the ship looking for towels. Where do you get them? Where do you sign them in and out at? They already have them in your room ready to go. So now we're going to go around here. We're going to check out the bathroom. Now remember, this is a new ship. Ship only about 2 years and 3 months old. So it's still beautiful. You know, it's just a beautiful ship. Nice and clean. Now the bathroom is kind of snubbed. I'm not gonna lie about that. The toilet area and where they got this here area, if you're trying to sit down and use the restroom and you're large, that's gonna be a little difficult trying to squeeze in this little section here. But I guess we'll do the best. Now the shower, I do love the shower. The shower is very spacious. The shower is spacious. About 6.5, I would say, in height. So if you're 6 foot, there wouldn't be no issues with you taking a shower. No issues. Everything's just nice and clean and organized. So this is a very functioning room for you or whomever. I like this area here. I just like it's got so much area here. On the side of the bed, it's got a little more room than what most other cruise lines will have when you're getting out of the bed. Most of the time you get out of the bed and you run into the wall, but they got a little room, and you got room right here too, trying to get from around there and coming to the bathroom or wherever you're trying to do. So this is my room on MSC's Seashore.